Hi there. Hola. Today I'm going to talk about Ana de Armas. Ana de Armas? She's from Cuba. Why is she in this video? Because... Because. Porque sí. In Spanish we say because yes. It's true, Ana de Armas is Cuban, but her grandparents on her mom's side are Spanish, and she moved to Spain when she was 18. In Spain, she became quite famous with the teenage TV series El Internado, about a boarding school, and later on with a historical TV show called Hispanic. More recently, she's known from the Hollywood mega productions Blade Runner and James Bond, Sin Tiempo para Morir. Now that I think about it, it suits her. Le pega. In Spanish, we don't refer to a suit. We literally say it hits her or it sticks to her. It suits her because James Bond actually uses armas, weapons. I think it's fair to say that Ana de Armas is the most well-known Hispanic actress nowadays. So that's a great thing because it might encourage more people to learn Spanish. So, like her character says in the James Bond movie, vamos, let's go.